All right, it is Monday, October 2nd. Looking at SPY, I'll go to chart QQQ. Got these equal lows here. Liquidity. Five-minute demand. Of this line, take calls. Below this gets invalidated, we'll look for puts. Got 40 seconds till the market's open. Gonna open up my Webull options chain. I'm gonna look at 3-day contracts. Floating around 426. 57. So I'm gonna look at some 427 contracts. Just bought 3 calls. Start my position. Just gonna mark the high, that first candle. Mark the low. So my position like something like this. First target, we're just gonna go 1-1. We're just going to target highs and lows. Gap down, leaves behind supply. This is supply. Now we just wait. Once you do your charting and you're in the play, you should be stress-free. There's no reason to stress. You decided to take the play. I'm just monitoring the 5-minute chart. As you can see, I took my entry off this 5-minute demand on the 1-minute chart. As you can see, we're pushing higher. Up 6%, 7%. The first target you can get a sell. Half of my position. As you can see, we hit our first target in literally 4 minutes. So that's how fast it happens. Got more than a 1-to-1 in 4 minutes. So I'm still holding on runner. I just took my quick profits. It's early in the morning. As you can see, we are reacting to this 1-minute supply zone that was left behind from Friday. See? You're going to get little reactions at these supply zones, which is why I targeted these places without even having to draw this box. Just targeting supply zones as we're taking plays from demand zones. So now we can look to aim there. First target was already smashed. Trading does not have to be complicated. So now the open P&L is 84 cents, 85 cents, 86 cents. We're pushing to that next target. The reason I marked this first candle was just the high and low of that first candle. Once we broke that, and plus we're at a demand zone, I can hold with confidence and know that, hey, we broke this. We should be pushing up. See this 5-minute. So it is looking great right now. as you can see, I know what I'm doing with this stuff. Even though I don't post all the time, I'm gonna get consistent with this stuff so I can try to teach people something that want to get into trading, who may have a job, and think that they're too busy. I got to my computer at 6:26 a.m. and started recording this video for you guys. Literally took me about 3 minutes to chart this up, and we are pushing higher. This is looking great. It's now moved $1 from my entry point. I risked a 58-cent move to the downside on this one. And I could have risked a lot less, but I would hate to get stopped out from 20 cents. So as you can see here, I went pretty light. I only bought, can you guys see that? I only bought 3 contracts. I bought them for $3.04, which means they were $304. They are now, man, I hope you guys can see this. They are now at $3.34, $3.35. So $335. So much up $100, literally in what? 8 minutes. $100 in 8 minutes. That's how quick it happens. And I don't know any job that pays $100 in 8 minutes. So yeah. People on YouTube who make stocks and trading options sound super complicated. You just find something that works for you and stick to it. It doesn't have to be complicated. You see me execute on that within the first minute of the market open. Now I am in California, so I'm on this Pacific time. So the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 in New York, which means I am up at 6:15 a.m. every day. Now I used to get to my computer at 6 a.m. Obviously, because the market opens at 6:30. We're 3 hours behind New York. Now I just get up around 6:15. It doesn't take that long to chart. You don't need to overthink it. And as you see, we're pushing higher. No need to stress once you're in the trade. I'm just letting this run all the way to this second target, and then we'll see when we get there. But all these black candles here, it should take this out. So we could definitely see a push to this fair value gap here. Where's my drawing tool? I am now up $150. You guys can barely see that. I'm up $150. Hasn't even been 10 minutes yet. Text my little brother. He's texting me to tell me how juicy calls play were at open, so I'm gonna let him know I took those. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and end this recording here. I did sell the rest of my position, or not the rest of my position, most of the contracts. One contract right here at this second target. Got one runner left, but it looks like we are going to break this low. We'll see what happens here. Not sure if I'll be okay with a break even from this point. but we'll see. Let's see if we break this low here. You never want to sell your calls as it's going down, because that's going to be, you know, it's going to be the least valuable. If you're in calls and you're going long, you want to sell it as it's going up. So we're going to wait for another push, and I might go ahead and exit this whole position. So it's trying to break this low. It's just wicking below it though. Let's go to 30-second time frame. The market ebbs and flows. It's not just going to be one straight shot. And that's where a lot of people panic, and I can't even lie to you, it took me a long time to get out of the habit of panicking, you know, when it was going out of my direction. But over time you should get it if you stay committed to trading. You know, it's no big thing. Where is my drawing tool? Brush. Okay, so like I said, we got this low, you know, now we got this swing high. Would expect to break that, but we'll see. We did have a large push already. I'm already up $100. I just got my last contract running, so my first two contracts are already sold. So we're just gonna wait to see what happens here. See how we're getting that push up? All it did is it's just taking that liquidity. We didn't even get a 1 minute candle to close above it. Look how the candles closed right at the line. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this last one. All right, sold my last contract. That's how you make $140 fast. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys learned something. I don't care if it goes up to this target, up to that target, whatever. I'll look at the charts a little later. I never take more than 3 trades in a day. There has been times I've gotten reckless and taken more than 3 trades, but my data tells me, which I upload to TradeZella every single week, tells me that I perform best when I take 1 to 3 trades per day. So this is exactly what you're looking for when you're trading the markets. You want to be in and out. If you're a scalper, I'm a scalper at heart. I don't like holding stuff all day. As you can see, we're pushing back down, and I don't care. I'm out of the trade, so we don't care what happens from this point. Look at that long bar. Look at that. But we don't care. We're out of the position. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys learned something. And have a good day. Happy Monday.